Windows 11 brings a brand new, more Mac-like interface to the OS. It features a clean design with rounded corners and pastel shades. The iconic Start menu also moves to the center of the screen along with the taskbar, but you can move those back to the left as they are in Windows 10 if you prefer. So let's get started. The first one on our list is Android app integration. Android apps are now available for Windows 11 through the Microsoft Store, via the Amazon App Store. This is something Windows users have been waiting for years and marks another move toward the merging of mobile and laptop devices. The second one on our list is better virtual desktop support. Windows 11 will let you set up virtual desktops in a way that's similar to Mac's. It allows for toggling between multiple desktops at once for personal, work, school, or gaming. In Windows 10, this was harder to set up and use. The third one on our list is widgets. While they've been around for a while, including in a recent Windows 10 update, you can now access widgets directly from the taskbar and personalize them to see whatever you'd like. The fourth one on our list is enhanced touchscreen, voice, and pen support. For tablets, Microsoft has aimed to improve the experience for touch, with more space between icons on the taskbar and adding gestures. Windows 11 also adds haptics to your digital pen, so you can hear and feel vibrations as you use it for taking notes or drawing. Finally, the OS introduces voice typing and commands across the system. The fifth one on our list is Xbox Tech to improve gaming. Windows 11 will get certain features found in Xbox consoles, like Auto HDR and Direct Storage, to improve gaming on your Windows PC. This marks another move toward integrating PCs and Xbox consoles from Microsoft.